Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, the ruling party of Tamil Nadu, has conducted a massive General Council meeting at Madurai with participants of number 6,500, with all the top leaders participating in it. In fact, even before the General Council meeting could begin, there was a massive roadshow in the district on Saturday, where the Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, also the party president, went ahead and he participated in a 20-kilometer roadshow, which then followed with the Chief Minister going to his brother M.K. Alagiri's residence, and there a feud which had gone for more than 10 years was brought to an end, with both the brothers meeting each other. But the important aspect is the General Council meeting, which was held on Sunday, where 27 resolutions were passed. However, this is nothing but initiation of work for 2026 elections. In fact, the Chief Minister very clearly mentioned that right now DMK is undefeated in all the elections, and he claims that this should continue even in 2026. The Chief Minister also cautioned that not just one, but through many methods, there are fake news that are being propagated, and it had to be countered by DMK cadres. He says on one side, Stalin has political enemies, on the other side, ideological enemies, and also there are multiple sides where there are traitors and betrayers, and he has to face all this. And he claims amongst all this, even after being the ruling government of Tamil Nadu, he is still acting like an opposition leader, and he blames Union BJP government for that. And also multiple resolutions were passed against the BJP government. In fact, of the 27 resolutions, one resolution was appreciating Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. The other resolution was claiming that support will be given to Udinidhi Stalin, his son, calling him the future of Tamil Nadu. And there were multiple resolutions that were passed against the BJP government, the vice president. There was also one resolution that was against the BJP government, claiming it is going against the constitution, and the most important demand that has been for decades, and that is to bring back education from the concurrent list to the state list, was also placed. 27 resolutions have been passed, and it was a massive show by which DMK has shown its strength in Madurai. And the Chief Minister very clearly mentioned that what the DMK government has to face, as they do not have any anti-incumbency but only pro-incumbency, the only issue that DMK has to face right now is fake propaganda and false news that is being spread through social media. And he claims that a seed is being sowed among the people, claiming law and order has deteriorated and the DMK cadres must face it. He has also initiated a campaign called as Vor Aniyil Thiralvom for Mannai Kaka, Moriyai Kaka and Manam Kaka, which means come together to protect the land, the language and the dignity. And he has also instructed the cadres to go ahead and expand DMK voters percentage by 30% across booth stations, claiming that they have to go and meet 2 crore families and register at least 1 crore voters. Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.